Abraham interceded. And what is this wisdom that Solomon asked for? It is the wisdom that is found in Ephesians, the hope, the fear, and love of God. First, in the Lord, right?
Lungsod ng Bacolod na inihalal sa katungkulan bilang alkalde.
Pagkaraan nito'y
glad in it. This is the time for change. May naghahambal, and there will be many more. Bacolodiat, may flower festival. Amsamira. Alin ni siya sa Korea nagabuti na sa ngaga.
Eminent Bishop Vicente Navarra as the main celebrant, and so many other press participating, in order that every Bacolodnon and every citizens of the city will enjoy the fruits of their labor in choosing the best.
Because we will fight all obstacles for the progress of Bacolod. Sa ato kung mahimo, mamit na ko sila tanan, a trust fund for teachers for the years to come.